Alright guys, today we have a very special video for you with the Turbo Lancer. My friend Ollie, he recently put a spark plug in his exhaust on his Hyundai Getz, and this is the result. We're gonna try and make this thing shoot some flames, baby.
I reckon it's gonna be sick. You hear it dosing, and then you see the big flamethrower out the back. Very tough.
Like, I've been saying it a lot in the videos, this is becoming my favorite car. It's so fun.
Initially when you just turboed it, I was like, it's kind of slow and boring, but it's so good now.
It's actually fast now that we can rev it out too. Bro, that is the best dose ever out of all my cars. Bro, Ollie picked like the perfect size for that dose pipe, didn't he?
It looks awesome. That's mint.
Dude, it looks so good. Oh man. We're just at J-Car, we're grabbing some switches and stuff. Ollie has like sent me a list of parts to get for this mod, so I'll show you when I get them. Love this car, man. So we just picked up some twin core wire and a momentary on and off switch. Thanks, Ollie Mechanic. So this is the first time properly driving this thing with the bumper. I'm pretty worried that I'm gonna rub it everywhere. It is very low. I think you'll be like pretty surprised with how much this like carries out second gear. It's very fast. You can hear there's like a weird noise coming from the fuel pump too. I don't know what's going on back there, but it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. See what I mean?
Oh yeah, it pulls.
Yeah, it pulls really hard. Second gear's like, top of second is like over 100.
I actually love this car now.
I know.
I actually love it. It's too good.
I love this car, man.
This thing's a machine. Oh my god, is that a V8 Turbo? Hectic. Rexton's dose sounds better.
I reckon it does, man. I reckon it actually does.
Damn, Daniel.
Daniel.
Alrighty guys, we have brought the Lancer to Nathan's garage. The best place in the world. With all the cool stuff, the Fords, the BMWs, and the Mechanics.
No.
Mechanic, the hair.
You've got hair.
Upgrade.
Upgrades. I'm gonna shave it off again. I don't
Why?
Like it. I want to go bold.
I mean, it was easier to spot you when you were bald.
Yeah, I'm reflecting on the light.
So we picked up some stuff from J-Car. We got an Arduino voltage regulator. Ollie has done some coding with another Arduino to run an LS coil into the exhaust. Yep.
It's a basic flasher code on the Arduino using C++, and you have to set your dwell and your delay time between each firing. So if you don't have your dwell correct, you'll obviously fry the coil.
Okay.
And then obviously you can choose whatever delay you want, but I chose 30 milliseconds. So a dwell is 4 milliseconds,
yep,
which you set on your high side of the flash, and then your delay is obviously on the low side.
So from my understanding, all you're doing is you're wiring the coil pack to a power source, and you need to do the coding in order to get that coil pack to run correctly.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So you're basically setting the charge time, 4 milliseconds, also called dwell, and then obviously the delay between the charge time and its firing time.
Is there a reason why we're putting an LS1 coil in?
Oh, it's just easy to wire up and they're cheap.
Sick.
Easy to find.
Yeah. Ollie sourced it for me too. Bumper. Will! Hello! What is up?
More bro. How you going, bro? How are you, bro?
Man. Hey, dude. Good to see you, man.
Long time no see.
Such a long time, man.
I know, right? Alright guys, if you didn't understand what we're doing, basically we're installing a spark plug in the exhaust, and we're using an LS1 coil in order to fire that spark plug. And we're doing that because we want to be able to shoot flames out of the exhaust. I think that will be really fun, and it'll make for some cool videos when we take it on Toge. So Ollie is going to be wiring up an ignition switch as well as the coil, so that's why we've got the Arduinos. Hopefully we can find a good spot in the exhaust for it and should make things happen, you know. You found ignition yet, Mort?
I'll have to take your dizzy plug off and then, yeah.
Do some testing.
Yep.
Alright, Ollie's just gone ahead to try figure out which of these wires that are going to the dizzy are the ignition wire, because we're going to use one of those to cut ignition in order to
Bang, bang.
bang bang.
Skeed, skeed. A bang, bang. A skeed, skeed.
We found the power wire. It's the thicker one on the distributor. Well, at least we think it is. Ollie's just chopping it up now.
Dirty, dirty.
Dirty, dirty. And we're going to be putting the switches just over here in this panel right here. So we'll have ignition cut and whatever the spark plug is. What the hell? Wiring going in here. All right, we just pulled the wire through from the engine bay to the cabin. Ollie and Nathan ran it through to this little panel right here, and I've already got a switch in here as well, so we're gonna just put the other switch in and we're gonna wire it all up. All right, we've got our two switches mounted. One of them is for ignition cut and one of them is for the spark plug. The top one, we've bent the pins back, so that one's for ignition. We're gonna wire this in now. All right, so we have these two wires. These are for the ignition cut. So when we turn the car on, if we let go of these wires, then the car should turn off. So if I let go of these wires, sick, works.
Better just shut the fuel pump off though. Turn it on again. Keep it revving.
There you go, I guess the switch is gonna work. Alright, we're just tinning the wire now for the switch. This is like some real jank bogan spec bumpkin stuff, but should make for an entertaining video for you guys. Oh man, that's hot. Oh god.
Stinky.
Phew.
Hey, it works.
It works.
Wait,
So
I'll get it close up with your hands.
if I tap this, ignition off. Oh, that's the rich spot in the tune.
So much smoke coming out the back.
We have just wired up the secondary switch, which will go to a spark plug at the end of the exhaust. As you can see, it's all wired in. It's got the power source and it goes all the way through this side of the panel right here and all the way to the boot, then out to the bottom of the boot right here. So we're gonna have this go all the way to the spark plug, which will be located around there. Ollie has just been wiring an Arduino to power the LS1 coil. So I don't really understand what he's doing, but he's doing some mechanic magic. Look at this, all this janky ass wiring. Janky or clean?
Not clean. Definitely not clean.
Oh man, what the hell are you doing, bro? Oh, it's got the spark plug in.
Oh, we'll go
Is
test.
that a spare spark plug or is that like a special one?
Just a spare part spark plug. I don't know you.
Oh, tough. She looks nice and crusty.
Man, I was pretty stressed. I had to quick keep it read. I was too stressed. We've hooked up the LS coil to the Arduino just to signal it to fire, and then powered the coil with 12 volts.
Yep.
Switched as well. You got your voltage regulator here for the Arduino power.
Yep.
Then your orange wire is the signal wire, and then that's the ground to the Arduino for the LS coil, and then it's got its own other power ground as well.
Is that gonna have to sit inside the car?
Yes.
Oh, it has to sit inside the car?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah.
this cable will go through your floor.
Yee. I'm gonna have to do some more cutting.
We're on, son. Zoom in, duty zoom.
Oi, get a snap. Where'd you get that drill bit? Is it made of vibranium?
Are you ready to see some flames? This is all made by Peter.
What?
Peter is the top G flame creator.
Subscribe to Peter, man.
Oh, subscribe to Peter.
subscribe to Peter.
1,000 subs in one day. Come on, man. Better than Rexton. And Nathan. And Lachlan. Look in there. He's angry.
We have got the spark plug all mounted onto the exhaust now. Have sus. Arduino ready? Wow. Wow.
Dude.
What do you think, Will?
Dude, that's some complex to make some flames come out the back.
Man, it's a bit of effort. Oh my days, man. Whoa! Holy!
They can.
Looks like one of my wiring jobs have cooked it, so just check everything.
Bro, this angle is perfect from here.
That was nutty.
That was sick.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Alright, I can't see anything, but I can hear everything, and apparently the flames are like this big. Is it coming up on camera?
Yeah.
We need to do it at night
Once it
time.
does slow-mo, I'll make
Yeah.
it look like tonight.
Oh yeah, tonight. One more?
My ears are very hurting. My ears are very paining. Ruined my eardrums. Naughty boy, Oriv.
That's all the spark plug, right? Good job, Ollie.
We're gonna disturb the peace now.
Cut, 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 cut!
Was that you and Ollie together?
Yeah. Alright boys, we are at Augustus Ice Cream.
Augustus Ice Cream.
Ice cream.
Please help
And you went come.
Filmed a that's actually just tied it. Actually, you know what you did.
That was the longest time I've ever had to wait for ice cream, but worth it.
Raspberry and watermelon. I got the color of Alex's bum, brown, white, and pink.
Pretty good, man.
Elon's card declined.
No way.
I just tasted ice cream. Whoops.
He tapped and went beep 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 beep. And he just walked out.
There's a Ferrari, I think it's an SF90 next to us.
That's a cool Lambo. Nice Lambo.
The guy didn't even give a f***, man.
No, he gave me a nod. He was like, he looked funny and went, nod.
Alright boys, it is now night time. I've got Peter here with me.
Hello.
And we're gonna see how big the flames are. Obviously we're gonna do this at night time because you won't be able to see too much in the day.
It's still pretty big though.
Yeah, it was still pretty big. But yeah, we're gonna see the full effect of the ignition cut and spark plug install.
The flamethrower. Yep. Let me get up before you blow my ears out. Bro, that was bad. Do it again. The flamethrower. This was a huge one.
Dude, what the hell? No way!
Look at the size of it.
Oh my, dude, what the hell?
The lance is on fire.
Dude, look at that. Hang on, let me.
This is on fire. That's too good.
Bro, what the hell?
Who needs a light bar when you have a Lancer? Oh my god!
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video with the Lancer. Just wanted to come on here and show you my new fresh cut, but I also wanted to come on here and say a few things to end today's video on a heartwarming note. It's crazy to think that 5 years ago I was stacking fruit on shelves, working at a supermarket, and here I am now making content full time. I'm a huge believer in going for your passions and pursuing your dreams. It's not something that everybody does, but I am living proof that it's possible. I just wanted to say that, you know, if you have any goals, if you have any aspirations, get to them right now. Start working on them because you never know what you could do if you tried. A lot of people are very scared of, you know, taking that next step into their life journey. A lot of people hold themselves back to negative thoughts. You just need to be decisive, guys. You need to stick to something. You need to execute goals. You need to make sure that you're on top of stuff. It's it's a very long journey, guys. Invest in the future and don't try to do things for the now. Make sure that you're planning for the future. That's all I really want to say. But anyway, besides that, I love how much you guys are supporting the Lancer, so we're going to continue making some Lancer content, Lancerghini content. But for now, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And if you want to see more awesome content, head over to my other videos because we got more Lancer stuff there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. Catch you later. Goodbye.